like, comment, share, all the good stuff. And what's up, crowns? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is an educational one. It's not a vlog, it's not a lifestyle video, it's not to promote any business, it's just to educate. So I'll be hosting one resource person who is a journalist. She's a friend, and I know some of you have seen her on this channel before. So without wasting my time, let's get right into the video. But before that, please do want to subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on your post notifications, comment, share, and like this video. It's very important. It helps me, or it helps YouTube share my videos or make my videos visible to most of you. So without wasting my time, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I have with me, please introduce yourself to my audience.
I'm just like, who are
Mrs.
Exactly.
Okay, so she's married, she's taking up the market. Okay, so she's going to demonstrate to us how to test for your blood glucose level at home. Okay, that's why I invited her. It's not always going to be vlogs, it's not always going to be lifestyle videos, it's not always going to be inspiration videos. Sometimes I feel we have to talk about health because our health is our wealth. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. We have with us the methylated thread, the cotton. This is the cotton wool. We have the test strips, or the test strips. There are a lot here. We also have lancets. This is what should be used to pierce for the blood. And we have the glucometer with the strip, one of the strips in here. This is how it looks like. Okay, and this is also the lancet for piercing. It came in this box, and this brand is the One Touch Select Plus Flex. This is not an ad, but my husband bought this and brought it home, and I was like, I don't know how to use it, so why not consult my friend who is a nurse to come and teach me how to test it at home. And I decided to share this video with us all. So without wasting so much time, she says it's a very simple demonstration which shouldn't take less than 30 minutes of your time, so we can be cautious of our blood glucose level. So let's get right into the video.
First of all, you're supposed to wear your gloves,
Okay.
for protection. But before that, you are supposed to do hand washing. So I already did mine. Then you insert your test strips in the glucometer.
The first process is to insert the test strips in the glucometer. Okay. So please show it to them what came after you inserted the test strip. Closer, please. Okay. So you see the blood drop on the glucometer.
Yeah.
So we are coming to now use the blood on the test strip, right?
Yes.
So what do we do now?
This is our cotton and methylated thread.
Okay.
But what we are supposed to use is the sterile alcohol swap.
Okay.
But this one is not sterile. But we are just using this as an improvise because we don't have one.
Okay. So today I'm the patient, okay? I'm the patient here. I'm going to test my blood glucose level, or in layman's term, sugar level, right? It's the same thing.
Yes.
Sugar level. So
we want to know the amount of glucose in her blood.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So you just use your alcohol swab.
You can either, she said you can either use your thumb or
the middle finger.
Or the middle finger.
So I'm using the middle finger because I've already used the thumb.
Yeah.
So I want to use the middle finger. Then you allow it to dry.
by itself.
By itself. Don't use anything to dry it. Then you take your
Lancet.
your lancet.
Today we are learning
your lancet or
medical terms.
Your needle
Okay.
to prick the finger. Sorry.
Another prick.
Then you use your dry cotton to clean
Let me show it to them. People, the blood came.
Yes.
The blood came. So
you use your dry cotton to wipe. You use your cotton to wipe the first blood.
okay.
I'm back as
Let me show it to them.
So this is the second blood.
She's picking the blood sample now. Interesting. Please let me show it to them. So please, what is the?
This is 8.3 millimole per liter. So with the we have two types of checking blood sugar.
Okay.
That is the random blood sugar and the fasting blood sugar.
Okay.
The fasting blood sugar is when a person hasn't taken anything in her blood, that is the glucose, or eating anything within 8 hours. And random blood sugar is when the person is taking something in her, but there is a sugar in the person's blood. Or
like the drink I'm taking right now. There's sugar. Cheers.
So for hers was random blood sugar level.
Okay.
So it was 8.3.
Meaning
it's normal. Normally we have ranges for fasting blood sugar level and random blood sugar level. The random blood sugar level, it ranges from I think 5.5 to 11.1 millimole per liter, and fasting blood sugar, it ranges from 3.8 to 5.5. So
it means it's normal.
Yes, it's normal. So if we check for fasting blood sugar and it's more than 5.5,
okay,
then it means you
have to do
suspect that you have diabetes, and now maybe or hyperglycemia.
Oh, okay.
Hyper means high and hypo means low. So if you are below 3.8, that means that you are hypoglycemia.
So
and the random two, if you are above 11.1, then it means you are hyper. If you check for random blood sugar, then you are when you check it and you get like above 11.1, then it means that you are hyperglycemic. Or if you are below 5.5, then it means you are hypoglycemia. Yeah. So when you check and you check for your blood sugar level, and you get to know that you are within this range, fine, or you are under or above this range, then it means that you need to see your medical practitioner.
Okay. For medical attention.
Yes. For further medical attention.
So why should we always check why is it advisable to always check our blood glucose level?
Yes, it's advisable for us to check our blood glucose level to know the amount of blood glucose in our blood. And also when you get to know that you are either hypo or hyperglycemic, you know what to do.
Okay.
If you are hypo, maybe there will be
some diet
yes,
changes.
yes. And also, when you seek for medical attention, they will be giving you some drugs for you to be taking daily. For it wouldn't treat it like, say, if somebody has the malaria, you just go for treatment and
it vanishes.
No, for this one, when it happens like that, you are going to take the medication so thy kingdom come.
And you don't want that, okay?
Yes.
So what would you advise we do so that we can maintain our blood glucose level?
Okay, the only thing, sometimes
Eating well, okay,
exercise, and also sometimes when you check your genetics, maybe your mother or your father, your grandmother is having it. You need to go for checkups and all that for you to know your status. And even if you don't have it, you should be careful because you can get it.
So what do we do when we find out, or why should we be checking it frequently?
Okay. The reason for you to check your blood glucose level is that for you to be conscious about the amount of sugar or glucose in your blood.
Okay, but what do we do to maintain it?
Okay, one, let me talk about the risk factors. Okay, if you're obese, you are a risk factor.
Okay,
genetics. If your mother or your father is having it, you're a risk.
Is it the same as the BP and those things?
No,
it's different.
It's different.
Okay,
but most of the time, the people who are having glycemic patient, that is the diabetic patients, most of the time they also have hypertension.
Okay,
but it's not everyone. Yes.
Okay, we understand.
So you need to be careful on how you eat, the amount of calories you take, daily, and all that.
Okay, so
exercise,
I think, is a must-have. This glucometer is a must-have for every home. So I would recommend we all get one and get tested as and when. Okay, so that if it's high or it's low, we know when to consult the doctor for extra medical attention. Sorry, as she said. So this brings us to the end of this video.
And always go for medical checkups.
Okay, from the practitioner, she's saying we should always go for medical checkups, and because if you don't have this glucometer at home, you should go for medical checkups. How often should a person go?
Okay, it's all
what depends. Is it advisable?
I would say that every 3 months.
Every 3 months.
Every 3 months is okay.
That's okay.
But if every month
you can go,
it's the best.
Okay.
It's advisable for you to go for a checkup every month.
Okay.
But due to time, practice, and all that.
Sure. And busy schedules. Okay. So thank you so much, Priscilla Kofi, aka Mrs. Ejako, for honoring this invitation. Thank you, Mrs. Ejako, for honoring this invitation. We are so grateful for demonstrating this with us and sharing your knowledge with us all. So I'm sure my crowns will be doing this more often. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn on the post notification bell. It's very important so that you get any alerts, because now I'm going to give you the content back to back. So you're tired. Okay, so stay glued to this channel, and I'll see you all in another next video. Love you all. Peace out.
Hi.